Hi, I'm Thiago.
And I'm Sarah. Welcome to Quiet English Stories channel.
In each episode, we share a simple story and daily routine about real life.
Then we explain one grammar rule and 5 new English words.
Listen, relax, and learn with us.
Welcome to Quiet English Stories channel.
And now, let's jump into it. Welcome to Trader Joe's. This is my favorite grocery store.
It looks great. It's smaller than I expected.
Yes, but they have everything we need.
I need some apples, bananas, bread, milk, and rice.
Do you need any vegetables?
Yes, I need some tomatoes, onions, and lettuce.
Great. Let's start with the fruit section.
These apples look fresh.
They are. I usually buy 6 apples and a bunch of bananas.
How much milk do you buy?
I buy 1 gallon of milk every week.
And how much rice do you need?
I need 2 pounds of rice.
I also want some cheese.
Sure, there's a lot of cheese in that refrigerator.
Wow, there are many kinds of cheese.
Yes, and there is some yogurt next to it.
Good idea. I need some yogurt too.
Do you have enough food for the week now?
I think so. Let me check.
What do you have?
I have some fruit, some vegetables, a loaf of bread, a gallon of milk, 2 pounds of rice, and some yogurt.
Perfect. Let's go to the checkout.
Thanks again, Thiago.
You're welcome. Grocery shopping is easier when you know what to buy. This is the end of our story. Listen to this story again.
Repeat the sentences out loud.
Write the new words in your notebook.
Practice the grammar rule.
Study a little every day.
Do not be afraid of mistakes.
Keep practicing.
See you in the next lesson on Quiet English Stories channel.